Hi everyone, I'm Jules, a speech pathologist of 13 years. The question was, how do you help with lateral lisps? So lateral lisps are where you say the S sound, like S, or the snake sound, but it comes out through the sides of the mouth, like sh. So sun sounds like shun. It's also similar to Sid from Ice Age, who talks with a bit of a lateral lisp. So basically what we do is reshape the airflow and help the air to come out through the front over the tongue like a S and not out the side like sh. So I only do this lateral lisp treatment for children over 4 years of age because it's quite complex and they need to really be switched on to give this one a go, and also because lisps can naturally correct by 4 years of age anyway. So what I'll do is I'll say, we're going to do a different sound, okay? So not the same. I never say, let's do the S sound or S, because their brain already associates that with a sound. So what I'll do is I'll say, we're going to do a different sound. Let's play this game together. And then what would you like to choose? So I'll put their favorite game at the end or whatever they like, lucky dip, play with some bubbles. And I'll say, we're learning it together. So basically what I'll do is I'll put this sound, which a lot of children know, t sound, usually comes, about 2, sometimes 3 years of age. And it's at the front of the mouth with the tongue up, t, t, t. And I'll say to them, let's practice that, t, t, t. Give them some ticks because they're doing beautifully and having a turn, always rewarding and encouraging any participation at all. We're never aiming for perfection at all. So then I'll say, now we're going to slow it down. T, t. We practice that, then we'll have a little play. So building up the child's confidence, getting them to forget about that slushy S or whatever they've been practicing at home. A lot of parents try first and, can get a bit frustrated with that. So we get rid of all that S practice and we bring it back to the T. And then I say, let's do it super slow. And then we're going to stop and just let the air out. So we'll go T, T. And that is your new sound. Also, it is the S sound. So we just practice that, do some T, and then let the air out. T. Eventually, we'll work up to it, and I'll eventually let them know that is our new sound, and that's our new S sound. And then the slushy one becomes the old one. So the becomes the old one. And before I do this, obviously, I help them identify the difference between S, the new sound, and the old sound. So I'll have them listen to me, which one did I do, and really have them auditorily discriminate between those two so I know that they can make those clear distinctions. So I hope you found this helpful, and please keep asking me questions. Thanks.